What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. Today we're going to demonstrate these three-way light bulbs. Not only do you get the 3 levels of brightness from one bulb with these, but you also get to pick one of 6 different color temperatures with these as well. So the beauty of that is that maybe at night you want your bulb on a lower brightness setting, but you want it ambery. Maybe at some other point in the day you want your bulb to be at its brightest it can be, but you want that light to also be really sterile, maybe at a 6500 K color temperature. So we're going to show you how this product works and then all the different colors that come with it. Now, if you're looking for a video that goes in depth about three-way bulbs, what they are, how they work, the benefits of them, how you know maybe a bulb that you picked up in your house that you don't know anything about is a three-way bulb, how you know the socket that you want to put it into is capable of taking on a three-way bulb, just click on the link on your screen right now. I put together a video that goes over all this stuff. All right, so here's how you choose your color temperature on the bulb. You can see the 6 different color temperatures right here on the bulb. We have our little dial right here. It's currently set on the 2700K temperature. All you have to do to change the bulb's color temperature is just simply twist the dial to whatever color temperature that you would prefer. So let's show you what this looks like when it's actually in a lamp socket that is capable of handling a three-way bulb. Okay, so we dim the lights a little bit in here so you could see how the light changes as we not only change the levels of brightness, but also play with the color temperature. So I'm just going to turn this on, and it's at its lowest setting right now in terms of level of brightness and the color temperature. It's at that really ambery 2700K. Now I'm just going to flip through the other levels of brightness since it's a three-way bulb. Second one, and there's your third one, and now it's going to turn off again. So we're going to turn it back on, and now I'm going to go through each of the different color temperatures by just twisting the dial that we talked about earlier so you can see every one of the color temperatures. There's the next one up, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and then the last one. So hopefully that gave you a good understanding of how this product works and why it's so useful. 3 levels of brightness and 6 different color temperatures. Thanks for watching, everybody.